Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The in the name of the holy greatest, loveful greatest holy God, the most gracious and the most merciful holy greatest God, the greatest God, holiest, greatest, merciful, gracious, honor of the all universal and almighty, powerful, greatest, holiest, powerful, holy power, blessing and the mercies, powerful, almighty, honor and creator of all universal, what we have and what we are having in the universal to do for the life, love life. Most welcome. Hello everybody. Hello everybody, every ladies and gentlemen, everyone, all of the in the world who they are loving and belonging in the various countries of the worldwide around the world and among the people you are looking and love our program and the Universal All Voices speeches, VIP Chief Advisor, Tech Television Studio, incredible, amazing talking studio, all kind VIP education talking studio. We have about 1,000 subjects and lessons and chapter of the greatest VIP education knowledge department field of the worldwide. We know about it and we know for the introducing to you, to the world, to the nation, to this world generation, new generation of the greatest world. All they need and needful and help and helpless in the all various kind of the field of the humanity, humankind services, in educations, in our all efforts of education, helping, supporting to give help and support and right path and true education, knowledges to the humanity in the worldwide for us, for the people of the all worldwide people, the loving and living life in the world, in the various countries of the worldwide. We have also to you hello and hi of all of our friend of the my nations, my mother and my holy father countries, nations, and all relationship and relations field, fan and friend and close friend, lovers. How are you? And how are you to you in the all season part of the year, in the various kind of the month which we belong, and bringing for us a good wishes, good happiness in our efforts every day, every night, in the worldwide, in our all efforts. So we looking forward to you for us for this program to representing to you. We are excited and excited too much about your linking communications and the lovers love our videos, messages of the universal all voices speeches, VIP chief advisors, Tech Television, amazing, incredible talking studio in the worldwide global internet YouTube channel, television division, studio divisions in the field of the worldwide Facebook and the greatest Facebook to linking to communication to make a good friendship of humanity for humanity to get peace and love and justice and the brotherhood relation to you for the humanity and the worldwide. Most welcome. Thank you very much. We are too much excited to you, giving a good advice as a chief advisor of the worldwide uh, Universal All Speeches, chief advisor, Trick Television, VIP Education, and credible talking studio, and the owner of the greatest worldwide university, international worldwide university online lifetime in the worldwide, in the Facebook, on the Twitter and YouTube channel, which we are representing. The name called the greatest king of the all professors, science and education field in the worldwide, Al Malikul Alam Dilbagh Muhammad Mustafa, International Islamic and General Education Knowledges University, academies, colleges, academies, and universities department. And we have also too much greatest worldwide research department of the all kind of the VIP education knowledges and books and history and new history and latest history to find out a good result for humanity, for helping, supporting in the worldwide. Most welcome. Thank you very much. Now we have a good topic about the greatest world and universal science. What science subject and lesson education belong us and give us to worldwide bright future, love life for lifetime, everywhere, every time. And the modern generation talking knowledges about the nations, all nations belong this subject and lesson. What is the latest and greatest worldwide modern education knowledges for the greatest modern nation in the worldwide in this 2001 century? What is giving us to make a good result and good education knowledges? Because education is a field too much wide, a very greatest wide in the worldwide. There are too much many subjects and lessons, and the department of the education knowledges field, research department, and the study department, and the learning, training, and the as advisor giving subject and advising to get too much movement about this way and this truth path to get and to efforts, make a good efforts to much good behave and behavior truly and honestly. That is a policy of the greatest universal education field of the worldwide, in any country, in any department of the worldwide. If you have a good behave, good talking, truly and honestly human rights, helping, supporting as a humankind services, serviceman and servant of the holy greatest God on the earth forever, everywhere, in the time, every day and night, in the all season, in all topic and all words, all path you give and training and lesson and advising to the humanity. That is a great part of your life and our life, of the history of this century, 2001 century. That is a very greatest, holiest part of our life, to giving good reception, welcoming, to giving as advisors many education field and department and branches to show you, to represent you, and that is a very good and excellent. I am too much excited with you on the Facebook, on the internet division, worldwide division, on the international YouTube channel, television studio division, where you can find easily our pages in the Facebook and in the YouTube channel and messages channel and the studio channel and the global wise worldwide internet division. That is the greatest communication links to love, to make a good friendship as a humanity, for peace and love and justice, for brotherhood as a nation, as a unity of the humanity, humankind services to supporting, helping among the people, in the between the people around your all life work and efforts and behaves. So you have to make a good friendship, a good knowledges. So you know the about the nation. Nation also is a belong from histories of the humanity. All nations also belong from his old history of the human world, of human history, of the world on the earth. That is a nation. What is nation? A nation mean who are your father, greatest holy father, your mother, your family, and your sister, brother, children, and families. How many families, how many parents and the children and your family members of your grandfather, greatest holy grandfather, and grandmother from the parent, your parents, holy greatest mother and great father, and his all families. They are make a good nation. They call by name his grandfather and grandmother, nationals department of the belonging old history of families. It's called a nation. Like if we say that is a this nation, that is a that nation, that is a this nation, there are in the country wise and in the worldwide, all countries in the worldwide, too much thousands, millions nations are living, love life with his efforts and in lifetime in the on the earth. The nations call your starting history, opening history of the humanity and your family and your grandfather and your grandmother family history and your father and your mother history and humanity history belonging. You are from the humanity in the worldwide in your country and where you are living in any country in the worldwide. That means you are a national and nation belong nation. There are some body and humanity families and are calling in family name and your first name and second name and your messages and your department of family name is called nation. What are you, your nation and your family belong? You can say easily if you have got good knowledges from your all grandfather and grandmother and parent of your father and mother. You have to show your family and nation name. So that is a nation which call about the nation. So there are all nations in the all countries of the worldwide. Any country have many thousands nations. There are some famous nations and some mostly too much famous nations, and there are some low famous nations, but all belong from the humanity, human of history, human nation of the human, as a human being from the worldwide, from any country. About Adam, you know the human history father is Adam. The greatest holy father Adam and the Eve, our greatest holy mother Eve, they belong from the Sri Lanka. The history of the worldwide human history, giving us education and subject and lesson and guidance that became on the world from the Sri Lanka. Its mean is it is from belong from Asia. The Adam and Eve. And Eve, when Adam and Eve bringing out from heaven of the world of the greatest holy God, Eve bring like in the Jeddah city in Arab country, and the Adam came from the Sri Lanka on the earth. That is a very, very great history. Then Adam, first man of the father of grandfather of the humanity, traveled to the Jeddah to get our grandmother Eve. Then all family, next family and next members and family of Adam and Eve became and grew up too much families in the worldwide around the world and start and opened the human history. There was that time no any religious and holy book and any holy thing from the God to help for Adam and Eve. Just Adam belong from the into the holy God, the greatest honor, almighty, powerful, creator of universal and creator of humanity, human families, and the earth in the worldwide. So then became too much many families and nations became in Africa, South Africa, in Australia, in Asia, in Sri Lanka, in India, in Pakistan, in subcontinent of the Barr Saghir, and in the Arab countries, Asian and Iraq, and the English European countries. That all human body, humans, nations are living on the earth which belong from Adam and Eve. That is a greatest point and great thing to know of knowledges. Then our greatest Holy Father and greatest Holy Mother and our greatest Holy Father and Holy Mother started the world humanity families living life on the earth. That was a very, very great old history of million years ago. So there was that time too much new thing to do for life in the life to get a good reception and facilities for food and for eating, for love life in the earth, and they become all nations. Now in the 2001 century is the greatest modern educational humans history, and the greatest century. This century is we belong this century about 2100 century, new century and new educations, and we have too much millions, billions work to do for our efforts entered in our life to make a good research, good topics, good lessons to know, to representing for you in the worldwide for humanity, humankind services, for helping and supporting to guidance as the chief advisor. We excited with you. You like, you love our program. Most welcome. Thank you very much. So now we have Human history chapter of this century, 2100 century, is the greatest new, latest modern generation century. Because we have too much millions kind of the machineries and latest technologies in the worldwide to using to in our efforts we have to do every work in the world on machineries in latest top department and the latest equipments which we belong. That is a part of the history of the 2001 century of this modern humanity history. That is a great part. Yes. Because if you have computer technology become from electronics and the mathematical and biological and chemical and chemistrical and the sciences, education, technical theory and the department to field to do too much work and bring out the result for humanity. And that energy, we have energies. How many kind of the energies in the worldwide? There are natural energies of the sun, greatest planet around the sun, greatest sun around the planets in the worldwide in the universal. We have solar system, greatest heavy duty solar system equipment to receiving, to controlling all energy and giving to the humanity, humankind work in your field, in our field, in the worldwide. And we have water energy. We have greatest water energy from the sea and from the mountain. There we make terminal of the electronics field, greatest heavy weight, heavy terminal of the for electric to make develop and give us to the world in the worldwide. And we have solar system terminal and electronics equipments. They get and bring and we use it. And this is all thing of about the energies. We get energies from the sun, from air, space, from the terminal of the various kind of terminal, electronics terminal equipments in the worldwide, in all countries, in every country. They make electronics department and solar system energy department. And some are many small machineries, equipments we use in our house among the people we living life and getting solar system and getting water energy from the sea, electronics energy, power system. So there are too much terminal and power plant of the world in the field of the getting energy of from the various kind of the worldwide. That is the other field. That is also is the latest moderate scientist education field. After that we have got too much machineries, equipments, and we develop and we create too much machineries and the part of machineries to do and to work to make active good communication system and the various millions kind of the machineries department used to the humanity, for humanity in the worldwide, for in your lifetime, and with good behave to represent and the making a lifetime way. So that is a knowledge of modern education knowledge. After we became in your family, in our families, in the nation wise, in our your country wise nations. You must have to do to introduce your education's standard, how you are expert of education and the modern education department knowledges you have or not, how to you use it, how to feel it. If you don't feel any around the world, around you and around us in the worldwide, so you cannot do anything in the worldwide because you are too much uneducated and mistake and not modern and moderate education standard VIP person. Who are the VIP person? VIP person are they are advising and helping, supporting to the humanity of this greatest holy century, 2100 century, giving you, helping, supporting human right, peace and justice and lovehood and brotherhood to make a closely friendship communication system, helping, supporting to reach there in door to door in the worldwide, in every day, in the every country, to helpful, needful people are asking and searching and loving and looking forward your efforts and supports in this kind of the humanity. That is a humanity and humankind services, peace and brotherhood, love and justice, helping, supporting VIP education department. Okay? Yes. Now we say about the knowledge of this season is we have greatest philosophy and the greatest national wise natures and natural and scientist educations knowledges. That is a very very great secret of the scholars and doctors and philosophers. Do you know about that? No, don't. You don't know, and don't know world, and don't know the worldwide population and scholars and general scholars and professors and masters and teachers and leaders and politicians and the honor of the governments and the NGOs, honor of the old department of the government. Do not know what is the secret. Secret means you have a greatest khazana. You have a greatest khazana. Khazana call in Persian language jung. Do you know jung about jung? What is the jung? What is we belong about jung? Jung means khazana. Khazana means khazana in Urdu and in Sindhi and in Arabic. Al-khazina. Al-khazinatul maghfi fil ilm fil ulum al-alamiyatul kul. هذا secret. العلوم المخفي يعني secret علوم and the نتائج العلوم المخفي العامة العالمية. There is a very very secret knowledges and the result of knowledges we don't know about that. That all answers and result of VIP special greatest worldwide education knowledges department have secrecy of this result and to bringing out slowly to the world, in the nation, in the worldwide for humanity and human, because they are all researching and making good result. Then after they bring out new creations and new department and new result of the field and the latest and moderate education belong this, but the too much need efforts, good behave, true and honest life, efforts in your good behave, in the love life, in lifetime, every day, everywhere. If you don't have good and excellent, very, very good, excellent, good behaviors and good knowledges and good activities in your lifetime, forever, day and night, and the truly and honestly work to do for this, for result and for secret result. So you have a good things, too much, many time you get too much and many secret result which you save in your khazana, in your jong box, in your box of the knowledges, education department result knowledges. So the Jung History Time, my historical magazine name, the greatest universal, the Jung History Times also, that we have and we represent you from 40 years, and this channel also we representing from 2 years, and our knowledge book and research department, sequences, education and guiding and guidances, education, knowledges, secret points we are giving you. You don't understanding. If you understand, you must have to keep and follow this whole thing. If you don't have knowledges and about the searching and about your understanding, that is a very, very great weakness, and your physical and knowledges and all things are weakness, your health weakness, your education weakness, you are uneducated. So in the worldwide, this is a very greatest open worldwide challenge able point, and education knowledge is VIP as a chief advisor worldwide. We are excited and exciting to give you, to show you, to give our good and excellent VIP messages, VIP education knowledge messages for you. That all point are the very, very secret. What is secret? That is a start from your family, your university, your school, your colleges, from your country. What you have to do in the worldwide, in your good behave in life and lifetime. If you you work, and so with a good knowledges, you do everything. You do always, all the time. Well done, well done, and very wonderful. Well done. Life you will start and started when you give bring many results, then you will feel that you are the greatest human of the world. Yes. So why I call you always in our messages, you have a got incredible, amazing, incredible chief advisor education talking studio to represent you in the worldwide, open worldwide, on the internet, on the YouTube, in the Facebook division, in our all channel and Jung History Time channels, and the all voices speeches, VIP education chief advisor, Tech television, incredible, amazing studio talking channel and stages. We represent you all the time. You know about a book. If you have a book about history book, about knowledge, any knowledge of the book, about a novelist, if you are interested in novelist, in stories, in digest, you can read and study too much day and night. If you are you have a knowledge about poetry, you are poet and poetry and writer and writing some books and the knowledges book and the poetry book and history book about science and new modern this 2001 century education knowledge is to know you are writing and giving us to the world a book. It means you are a very grateful your efforts and your nice thinking. You want to do something in the world, in your life, on the world. That is a way for bringing and exciting and the developing and creation in the creation field, creating too much knowledge is talking thing, subject and the lessons. So you represent in your life for the people in the worldwide. So you are the very greatest happyful. But that is also in secrecy field, in secret and secrecies field. Because knowledge of the all education kinds give you the field of that which you have to know and which you are representing and what you are talking about that. Otherwise, you cannot explain anything in the world for any topic, for any education topic and lessons and education as an advisor or as a teacher or as an advice only teacher and your family members honor as a parents, as a teacher, as a helpful friend. You don't have anything about this because if you know about digest a book of many kind of the novels and human stories in the worldwide in English and in your knowledges. The many scholars and writers love to interesting to write novel and digest and human stories and making creation stories and they after making all stories best one stories loveful and grateful stories which famous in the population of the worldwide in any country. Then after that story making in studios, film studios, in artist division, Arts Council Corporation division making stories and drama and film and some characters showing you and then this is going to the Arts Council Corporation that's bring and become a story and drama and film and studio in Hollywood, in Lollywood, in Jollywood, in Collywood, in Everno and Asian and Japanese and worldwide, all Paris, Hollywood's branches. They shoot film. They shoot a very greatest film. Then they make money, too much money, and develop and all project and film project and stories project and novel and digest stories project. Then complete. They bring out in the world, in cinemas, in the theaters, in your country, in CD and in the cassettes. They develop too much and they make too much $1 billion and billion dirham, rupiah, Pakistani and all worldwide countries money collect too much. Yes, it's mean you are a very great expert and philosopher and scholar in education field, in novel and in novelist and historian and history knowledge stories, human histories, expert, scholar and doctor. Yes, which we call this is a doctor, scholar, philosopher. I say, if you don't have any knowledge, you cannot create anything in the worldwide in your life. Because there are too much thousand millions branches of educations. All education branches give you your great bright future and great money and greatest surprise and prize and good bright future in your life. Too much money. That is a perfect and challengeable point and talking and showing you, represent you and excited. I am very excited to you. This is the advisor as a chief advisor of the worldwide Universal All Species Take Television Talking Studio channel on our Facebook Shansha Jahan Jung History Time channels. What? Because a knowledge give you money. I am giving you money. I am giving you money, lot of money to the humanity in the worldwide, to helping, supporting for chief and justice. Because I have millions of stories. I have my own million story of the humanity history, of humanity Jung history, humanity universal history, humanity holy and the latest modern humanity stories. I have lot of education field and separate and the close and secret education fields, topics and knowledges what we are showing and representing you in our all channel, in messages channel, on the YouTube channel in the worldwide. For humanity, for helping and supporting too much, for peace and for justice, to love brotherhood, to you, for you, on the internet division. That is a great way of this century to make hello, hi, how are you, fine, lovely, sweet, my sweet ladies and gentlemen, my sweetest sweetheart, my darling, and my all friends and my lovely friends, which they are loving to hello, hi, chat and making a good communication, make friendship for humanity in this field, in my fields, which are I explaining and in detailing in the detail in the worldwide on my all channel and Facebook department, communication, linking, stage and fields. So it's mean all thing, all education are giving you money, too much money for your luxury life, for your VIP luxury life, for your VIP love life, for your all efforts in the luxury VIP love life give you money. But this all thing money and all thing coming from out from the world, from the your around the love life, from the ladies and gentlemen and from the departments, from the governments are helping you, giving you money, too much money. But we haven't any branch and department and field and subject to representing, to helping, supporting, to showing in the worldwide as a human being, human rights, truly, honestly, and with good behave in your life. When you make this all thing completely, truly, honestly, with good behave, good relation, good linking and communication, automatically you are the greatest worldwide chief advisor and philosopher and scholar, and too much money you have to get for your luxury life, VIP luxury life. That is a way to get luxury life, VIP money, too much money from the secret ways of this secret results ways from the secret department, from the secret helpful supporter of humanity, humankind services in the worldwide. Like you know, the latest modern department, education field, science and scientist field are going to the moon in the universal on the to the planets in the planets through the by space division, and you have on a space you are up on a very heavy duty, heavy space station. Understand? You know how many space stations in the worldwide? There are in the worldwide about the space station There are no one space station because space heavy duty electronic satellite solar system space station communication department belong communication very great highest and powerful and great station which are going rounding about around the world earth on the in the space in the universal which developed and created by scientists and great VIP educational honor science and scientist division. There are about in the world 20 space stations are working in the universal in the space around the world belonging from various 20 countries, from European countries, from English country, from American countries, from Russian countries, from Australian countries, from Chinese countries, from Japanese countries, the Indian and Pakistani countries, and there are too much famous and powerful, greatest, highest technology they have and using for a space station. We are going in this modern 2100 century, going from Earth to the space on station, and after we are going and running to make a good travel to the planets of the universal, like Marikh, you know Marikh, Neptune, Marikh and Moon. There are moon. Before we have to get and got founded too much thing from moon. After that they go Marikh. After that they go all planets on the worldwide, about 12 planets or 20 planets around the sun, greatest planet of universal, the greatest sun. And there are old history say there are 9 planets around the sun, greatest planet of the world, universal. How much, how many, that is no point and not question. Question is that modern generation and scientist division traveling, going to the planets, and they have a good heavy duty station on the space. Okay? Yes, and we are going to back. We are going to the back of Earth and universal in the humanity and humanity helping and supporting, helping humanity fields. We are going to back. We are making a reverse gear to drive our life to back, to get old history time and old history knowledges. But the greatest world and greatest scientists, modern scientists, are going out of from the earth to the space and to the other planets. What you are doing, you do not know. Education make for you great and bright future and too much money and lot of money for your life, for your health care, for your health, for great, powerful, loveful life, bright future forever, for every day, everywhere, every time in the earth and in your life and in your universal life. 20 countries are using space station, heavy duty, very greatest heavy duty space station around the earth in the universal space of universal, to making and good knowledge and education, incredible and amazing researching, thinking and getting knowledge for humanity, for peace and justice and for interesting. This is a very great thing, grateful thing. Do you know about that? And are you thinking about daily and day and night what is going in the world in back history of our life of humanity and the latest modern history of our life and history, where are going and where we came from there from the human history in the worldwide. We don't know because every time we love and we making something wrong and misunderstanding about the world and your behavior and growth and good life to make and develop for brighter future. Why you do not make your bright future and bright greatest VIP educational love life and grateful brotherhood and humanity life and great humanity, uh, great bright and love life future for your life in your lifetime forever, for rememberable, for historical thing are belonging we us. My dear, all the time we need very grateful help and support and money, and also money and help and support and education are coming for you and for us from the Holy Creator God and supportful, helpful, honorable honors. So, but we don't know about this and about that, and we lost our mind and something in lose character in your great bright future. We don't know, we don't interesting a good and truth path and truth life and truth education. Thank you. Because there are in the life you have various kind of life, various type, various type and kind of your life system, your life system, love life, bright life, nearest and farthest, and in the earth, in the city, and around the world, among the people, you have too much trouble, problems, and various kind of your life system, which you want to know, and you don't know, and we don't know about this. What is this? Because if anybody say what is this, you must have to give answer that is a so and so, and is it this and is it this? If you don't know, you can't say anything and you can't give answer. Why you don't know? You don't know anything. We have now the all system and various kind of topic, your life system and kind of your life system. One system, there are many system are using in your life automatically as a human being from yourself, from your behavior and true and honestly. You can't do anything and you don't know about this and that thing, but to do every day and night, why that you think, why that is a secret thing, but very openly you know and all body know, human know, but you don't know why. That is a very great and big point. About we eat food. We eat food day time, afternoon time, and the night time, 3 time or 5 time do to eat some bread, some rices, some fruits we use, and we make our food. Every time, everywhere, what you can get easily in your life, in your around your life, you do to eat, to get easily, or anyway you want eat. That's mean you know about eat and food and trouble and many things. How you get this food and fruit and your life usable important thing? What is food? Because in this modern life, modern education field, if you don't have any food and fruit and anything to eat in your life day and night, so you know that is a problem, too much problem. That is a too much problem for you and for all your family or your parent among the people or among the in the country in your life where you live life. If you don't have food, too much problem. So how you make your food with money? That is a very simple question and answer. All thing by money. You say all thing by money. If you don't have money, how you get food? It's problem. Who create problem? This you. Who are creating problem and the trouble and the whole thing? You. If you are not have any money to do for purchase food for your life day and night, it's mean you don't have money. And how you have get to make your money? This is you don't know. You make money and then you make food for you, for your life, day and night, for your family and for your children. It's mean your weakness is greatest weakness and trouble is money. You don't have money. If you have money, you can buy and purchase every usable things, products and machineries in your life for the worldwide for easiest way to get easily. If you don't have any money, if you have a job, money become from job. If you don't have job, it means you cannot make money. But if you are a labor or you make your labor shipment to do some work in the world and among the people for to getting your as a labor shipment fees and your day and night work as a labor, make money, collect money for your life. So you eat something. So it's mean if you have job, you can get money, and money can get fruit, provide for you fruit, and all fruit and food give you energy in your life, in your strength life, in your love life, for your family, for your all parents and grandpa and mother and grandparents family and your family among the people in the worldwide, you can do and make a good life. So trouble and problem is this money. Who are the honor and making money? How you can get, in which ways? There are too much ways of collect and make money. It's mean that trouble and very great problems and trouble to make money for every man, for every humanity branches field of the